With over 100 million YouTube subscribers, Jimmy Donaldson, better known as Mr.Beast, has clawed his way to the top of the pack. Known for recreating the infamous Squid Games, he's donated millions to charity and captured the imagination of viewers around the globe, and he makes big bucks for doing so. Last year, he made an estimated $54 million, the most out of any YouTuber ever, despite ranking behind 4 other YouTube channels in popularity, measured by subscribers. But scroll through his long YouTube history, 10 years and counting, and you realize that even the infamous Mr.Beast started with a 0 subscription channel, a scrappy snack bag of ideas, and the drive to see them through. He grew his audience from the ground up, and he stopped by YouTube headquarters to give some quick tips to up-and-coming content creators. 1. Go above and beyond. Mr.Beast isn't known for dabbling in the kiddie content pool. He developed and gave out a Willy Wonka-style chocolate factory. He's been buried alive, placed in solitary confinement.
It's been 50 hours, get me out of here!
And given an island to his 100 millionth subscriber. He goes above and beyond in terms of innovation and raw energy. Far, far away. Surprisingly, it pays. Despite spending millions of dollars on outrageous antics, Mr.Beast's economic empire thrives and expands, even spawning Mr.Beast-branded food companies. Perhaps this is why Mr.Beast suggests that content creators continue to go above and beyond. Viewers appreciate the time and effort that creators put into making entertaining videos. While having a lot of money to fund crazy stunts helps, expectations are relative to the channel. Viewers should not expect fresh content providers to know everything. Going above and above can be as easy as attempting to edit raw footage on a poor day. 2. Delegate. Mr.Beast has a team. They are, of course, his friends. Mr.Beast maintains a positive attitude while running a channel by bouncing ideas and shooting clips with friends. There is a serious risk of burning out. Content creation is often a labor of love, and quietly leaving a channel can rapidly turn off viewers. Read the preceding suggestion. Consider launching a channel with your friends. If you already have something going, enlist the help of some friends to keep things interesting. 3. Embrace data. Mr.Beast and his team tinker with the numbers on his YouTube channel to see what works and what doesn't. He is aware that statistics can be scary to many creators. The truth is that a creator can start small. Poking around a graph that indicates average view time might provide significant insight into the types of content that people enjoy watching. Begin small and gradually increase. You can explore other YouTube analytic tools at your leisure. YouTube has a wide range to select from. Analyze when your viewers are on YouTube, what other channels they watch, and more. It's fine to use whatever tools you find useful while ignoring the rest. Mr.Beast developed from 0 followers to a subscription base larger than Germany's estimated population. But the most amazing thing is that his channel is continuously expanding. He still employs the strategies that propelled him from 0 to his first 100 million subscribers. Strategies that new and rising video creators may employ to build their channels from the bottom up. I hope you get valuable information, and make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on bell notification for more content like this. Thanks for watching.